Hi, welcome to DY India Tech. Today we look Apache rotate logs configurations. Apache is the web service. So let me help you how to configure log rotate in Apache. For log rotate is very much important for project because the by default if you are using Apache web servers, then the log rotate is not enabled. So I have logged in my servers. Here I install the Apache. So let me my Apache is already running. So let me help you how we can configure that log rotate. So first of all, we can look the current log file name. So currently if you look like it is creating like dummy host.example.com, and then error logs is like dummy host example error logs. So let me check whether this log is coming or not. So here is website. Let me refresh this. So we are getting a hit and the printing the logs on this dummy host example.com -access log. So we can change this log files as per our requirement. We can put the file name and put a date. Okay. So first of all, we have to come in the configurations files. So in my case, I'm using the virtual host configurations vhost files. So here I have enabled this default containers, which is the log format is by default is enables in Apache. So here we have to generate the logs on date wise as per the system date. So for that one configurations we have to make. First of all, we require a models like binaries. So let me help you the binary. So in my case, the Apache's home directory is user local Apache 2. Inside bin, we get this rotate logs. So this binary files we require to rotate the logs. Okay, with the help of this, we can rotate that. So I have created the format access log and error logs. So simply I have to use this. So normally I will comment this existing logs. Then I have just created. So here is error logs. So simple is a very simple. Like here I'm putting the path of binary, and then here is my log locations where I want to generate my logs. So my log is generated on the log folder itself, and this log file is tyindia.com_error. Similar way we are used in custom logs for like access logs. So once we added this, we have to restart the Apache service. So let me check. Once we add the configuration file, we have to check the syntax. So my syntax is okay. There will be no issue. So let me stop. So now my process is stops, and let me start once again. And let me go to log directories. So now I have started, but it's not generating anything because once I try to access my web page, then it will generate the logs. So now I have hit the website. See, the log is generated, and see the date wise, and this date is also is domain name, and date is already captured. Okay, so today is 22 May 2025, so it automatically generated the date wise files. When we create a date wise files, it is easy to analyze the logs, and also we can archive these logs easily with the date wise. For future reference, we require logs in date wise for any circumstances or any investigations. So particular days logs if require anyone. Then if you like rotate your logs of web servers, then we can easily provide the logs, and we will easily identify the issues. If you not rotate the logs, so it might be your log file size is quite huge, which is difficult to like handle the if any issue, and it will consume more time. But if you rotate your logs, it is better, and it will create a date wise files which helping to analyze if any issues, any investigations, and if you want to share the logs for particular day, then you can easily send the files. So this is very important part for middleware administrator to make sure the server's logs will be rotated on daily basis, and that helping to the project. If you like this content, so just share your friend and colleagues. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet in next video.